Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube playlist on your YouTube app on your phone. So whether you have an Android or iOS device, it doesn't matter. As long as it's running the YouTube app, you are good to go. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the YouTube app if it's not already open. Select your user profile in the bottom right corner. And then you want to select the icon that says new playlist underneath playlist. Go ahead and select that. You can go ahead and just give it a moment here. It's going to start loading up the playlist. If you maybe have already videos uploaded to your channel, they would populate in this list. Otherwise, you can search on YouTube to add videos to your playlist, and you just would select the create button. Again, you might have to give it a name here, and then you would select create. Then you'd be able to add and edit different videos to here. You can also select the plus button up at the top to go ahead and create a new playlist that way as well. So a couple of different methods, but pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.